everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you one more thing created by me. This is cute mini pillow, or specifically I call it a strawberry plush pillow that can left hand. Let's go to the tutorial. Cut the paper off the pattern. Then you can trace the basic pattern to the back fabric. Here I use a red Velboa fabrics because it has soft, short fur. Cut with additional 1 cm from the pattern for zip allowance. Flip and trace again. Cut along the line. From the bottom, trace less than half round up on pink fabric for its belly. Pin the belly on the front side with the good fabrics up. Cut its hair or strawberry sleeves. Make black eyes and white sweats. Arrange the elements to the positions. Glue to make them stay. And let's get to the sewing machine. Start sewing the belly. Then sew the eyes. You can also sew the white seeds, but here I just don't do that. Meet the right side of the front side and the back side and pin along. Sew along the line from the pattern trace before seam allowance. Leave about 15 to 20 centimeters or 6 to 8 inches unsewn. Put your hand in and pull out the inside fabric out. Put the decor inside the strawberries body. The more it is full, the comfier you'll have. Do the rest hand stitched. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you!